Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. After that we can see here the sound, ring, vibration and silent modes. Just to change them you should just select one from the sounds. We can see that when the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. When we'll turn off the silent mode to the sound, when we'll switch it, we can see that the rings and notifications, they will ring. If you wanna see all the sounds, volume buttons here, you should click here to show more, and after that you'll see here the ring, notifications, alarms, media and calls volume panels. We can change the volume just by slide to the left or to the right side, these white dots. If you want to change default volume button control function, so you can make it by this way. So now we have selected the media, and just by press to up or down volume button we'll change the media volume. We can switch it here to ringtone, and now by press up or down volume button we'll change the ringtone volume. Here we can change the ringtone and notification sound. We can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can set the schedule, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode, and we can also allow the calls, messages or notifications just from your contacts, favorite contacts just from no one or from everyone. And here in more settings we can also turn on or turn off the keypad tones, screen lock and lock sound, screenshot sound, screen touches, vibration when the voice ringing, the system haptics. So to turn on or turn off all of these options we should use the switchers. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our HONOR device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.